Hello, good evening everyone. Last week, Nifty could not sustain above 25,200 levels, and towards the closing of the week, we fell by over 250 points, partly because of the tension in the Middle East. Now, on weekly basis, Nifty is still consolidating sideways. A directional move in Nifty on medium term charts will appear once Nifty closes above 25,200 on a closing basis, or if Nifty on a closing basis closes below 24,450 levels. Till such time, one can take contra positions with say 100 point stop loss below 24,450. One can try to buy at the lower end of the trading range and exit nearer to the higher end of the trading range at about 25,000, 25,100 levels. On daily charts, Nifty opened gap down on Friday and held on to the lows. Now the 24,450 500 region will act as a strong support at the lower end, and on the higher side, Nifty needs to take out that gap, which is at about 24,830 to 24,750 in order to sustain the up move. Moving on to short-term charts in Nifty, I believe any highs will be sold into till such time Nifty manages to trade consistently above 1850 levels with volume. At about 24,800 levels, one can keep a stop loss of 50-60 points and try to go short. And on the lower side, we have 24,500 as a strong support area. On weekly charts in Bank Nifty, we had an engulfing pattern in last week's trade, which has somewhat bearish implications. A break below, I will be watching out closely for a break of 55,150, which has bearish implications, and we may see Nifty moving under 500, 700 points lower. On daily charts, Nifty Bank took support at 55,100 levels. If 54,100 holds, I will be closely watching Nifty to close above the gap area at about 56,000 levels, wherein I will be a buyer in Bank Nifty above 56,000 levels. On short-term charts as well, Bank Nifty finds resistance at about 56,000 levels. If Nifty Bank struggles at about those levels with a 300 point kind of stop loss, one can try shorting Bank Nifty. Thanks for joining in. Have a profitable trading week ahead.